guys, Tori here of Love Tori Beauty. I feel like it's been forever because it has, and I'm super excited to be back with you guys. I started this channel back in 2015 to chronicle my natural hair journey, and somewhere along the way I totally got distracted, went back to straightening my hair, and forgot the whole purpose of why I wanted to share this with you. So I'm back. I am excited to tell you that in about 6 weeks I'm getting a Deva curly cut. There's finally someone in my area who is a certified Deva stylist who I really trust. So I'm definitely going to share that with you. I tallied up and I had straightened my hair 14 times this year alone. So it was just about 2 weeks ago on November 1st that I decided, you know what, that's it. I'm not straightening anymore. About 4 months prior to that, I started to notice a change in my curls. They just weren't springing back anymore. I tried some natural styles over the summer. I did braids and it still wasn't right. And so that's why for now, until my cut, no heat, I'm just gonna do natural styles, flexi rods, wash and goes as best I can. But when I do the wash and go, the damage is so obvious to me. So I really cannot wait to get it cut so that I can kind of have a fresh start and a clean slate. So I'm super excited to share that with you too. And then I don't know if you're interested, but I've been really into this whole debt-free community. I've been watching a lot of videos and doing it myself. So I'd love to share with you how I've been able to pay off almost all of my debts in the last 3 years. And I've also been interested in this whole minimalism practice, I guess you could call it. I watched the documentary, I read their book, and then I started following the videographer, Deva here on YouTube. Got really into his videos as well. And then I also read the books by Marie Kondo, who's into tidying. So if you'd like to see some videos on tidying and minimalism and organization, that's coming too. So I'm super excited. We're gonna get my hair back right. We're gonna do the Deva cut. We're still going to feature all your favorite makeup products and mine too. In fact, the next video is going to document the NARS Natural Radiance Foundation and Concealer, which I'm very excited to try. And we're just going to do a lot of different things, but most importantly, I'm excited to be back. I'm not going anywhere, and hopefully this time we can finish what we started, get these curls right, and document the process. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.